So today's the day where I finally get to press the button, and I am nervous and excited all at the same time because messing with nitrous, you know, it's blown up engines in the past, so I have turbos, so I have superchargers, but nitrous is always like the one that everybody says you're going to blow up your engine. And like David Freiberger says, nitrous doesn't blow up engines, people blow up engines. And so I've tried my best to make everything as safe as possible without like actually going in the motor and like filing down my ring gaps. That's the only thing I could think of. And I tried to go and get some spark plugs that are like a step colder, because you usually want to, like, depending on how big your shot is, your heat range, which if I'm using like an NGK for example, is a 6 is normal, and then you want to go up 1 for a colder spark plug. And I bought some, but they're too big. They're a 3/16 socket, and these run a 5/8. So I couldn't get the spark plug down in there. So, but with the 50 shot, it should be okay. So me and my buddy, I'm just waiting for him right now. His name's John. I've been buds with this guy since I was like 12 years old. He's my OG car guy, and I promised him that once I know I can press the button, that he's going to be with me filming and experiencing my face go really excited or really depressed because my engine blows up. So fingers crossed. Cool. So now we're driving down the street in Mexico, and we're gonna see how all this works, and hopefully everything will be good. Oh, I got headlights. Cool. I pulled so many fuses out to like test all this stuff I've been working on, that I was like pulling out fuses for stuff I didn't need. So I was hoping I would have headlights. I didn't check that yet. So do you want to see? You want to bump it to see if it works? All right. Let me. I'm gonna get farther down this street, like where it's 2 lanes. Dude, I've been thinking about this like for so long. And by the way, John, my best friend, like I said in the clip before, I've known him since I was like 12 years old. He's my OG car buddy. Like, I told him, when I hit the button, you gotta be there. So he's with me too. And it's gonna be rad. I'm like nervous and excited at the same time. So for safety precautions. All right, dude, you ready? Yeah. Okay, armed. Dang, dude. Oh crap, that was just a 50 shot. Oh dude, my heart's pounding right now, dude. That was come on. That was just a bump too, and it was like, whoa. Oh my gosh, this is great. Does it still have the flashing light on the side?
Sure does.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, I figured that's recording. That's going on.
My car is making all sorts of rattling noises and everything. It's the on my back window there's I used a washer and JB weld to like hold it together, like the shocks that bring the rear hatch deck lid up, and I think that's what's rattling. Dude, I think I should just try to like maybe depending on how much traffic is southbound, like towards Nashville, maybe like give it a little bit more on like the on-ramp, like full throttle, and then hit it and see. And then I guess it really just depends on traffic. That's one thing that I'm kind of curious about. Dude, I've been waiting for this for so long, dude.
It's been months.
It's been about 7 months since a couple days after my birthday, September. So that was 9. Oh, it's been about 5 months. That was 7. I don't know why. Oh, dude, look at that! Look at that sunset. That's legit. That's God saying, go out there and freaking press the
Get
button.
some nitrous.
Yeah, go hit that nitrous, man. Mexico.
Too bad everybody's getting on.
Yeah. We'll make room. So, what are your feelings on that other end? Like, what
nervous for you, but I'm also excited.
Yeah, I'm the same way. Oh, I still got a purge. And then, like, the purge sounds a lot more gnarly in the shop, but outside, because I've only done it inside my shop, and it's like really echoey. And so. Dude, I feel like I feel so cool right now. Okay. Everything's good. It was idling around 3,500. We didn't really know what was happening. I thought that maybe the fuel solenoid, since it's older, got stuck open, and the nitrous, I knew that wasn't hitting, but maybe the fuel got stuck open, so it was getting extra fuel, so that was building that up, and the car doesn't know that. But I think it was when I went to go and open up my hood, I took the throttle body, the little butterfly valve right there, and it felt like I was bound up, and the throttle cable was kind of like bunched up, so I think that's what happened. But my car, I mean, it's idling a little high because of like I probably need to bleed out my radiator to see, like, get all the bubbles out, because I just fixed a line. But yeah, it felt really good, guys. Like 50 shot, you definitely feel like, especially across, like, my VTEC doesn't kick in until I think it was 48 or 5200 when we were doing that pull in Mexico, and we got into VTEC and the nitrous on, dude, it pulled really hard, and that was at like 90 or 100 miles an hour. I cannot believe it. So, man, dude, I cannot believe it. This is great. Thank you guys so much for all the support, especially Advanced Autos, because my buddy Joe and Kyle helping me out getting parts and all that stuff for all this build. So thank you guys, and then thank you, John. He's actually going to get some tobacco. Hey, what did you think about that?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So thank you again, dude, for being my OG friend and experiencing that with me. So let's go back to the shop and do some more car stuff, like get the race season going, right?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.